Hello everyone. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we'll study diary entry. How to write a diary. In this video, we'll talk about how to write a diary entry, the format of a diary entry, and how the content is to be written. Not only that, I'll tell you the tips how to write the best diary entry so that you could get 100% marks. So let's begin. What is diary entry? We must know what is a diary entry. A diary entry is an entry or a day's event written by any individual. A diary entry is a personal document. It is a personal document. First person narration. It is written in first person using I, we, me. Serves as a record of past events. It serves as a record of past events. So, what is a diary? A diary is an entry or a day's event written by any individual, whether by he or she, by himself or herself, about the experiences, personal experiences of a person. A diary can be written for, क्या वजहें हो सकती हैं एक डायरी लिखने की, किन किन टॉपिक्स पे हम डायरी लिख सकते हैं. सम पॉपुलर टॉपिक्स. व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू. आपसे कहा जा सकता है किसी टॉपिक पे लिखने के लिए कि आपके साथ क्या हुआ. आप मेला देखने गए, आप मार्केट में गए, आपने दिवाली कैसे मनाई, आप बस में सफ़र कर रहे थे वहाँ कुछ हुआ, आप किसी हिली स्टेशन पे गए थे वहाँ कुछ हुआ. व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू. क्या हुआ आपके साथ, क्या स्पेशल हुआ. आप नए स्कूल में जाते हैं, नए कॉलेज में जाते हैं, नए ऑफिस में जाते हैं, किसी नई रिलेशन में जाते हैं, वहाँ आपके साथ क्या हुआ वो आपसे लिखने के लिए कहा जा सकता है. हाउ वॉज इट गुड और बैड, दैट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स, वेदर इट वॉज गुड और बैड. अब जो आपके साथ हुआ या तो अच्छा हो सकता है या फिर बुरा. आपने बहुत अच्छा स्कोर किया, वेरी गुड थिंग, अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. आपका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, आप फेल हो जाते हो, दैट इज़ अ बैड एक्सपीरियंस. हाउ यू फेल्ट और फील अबाउट इट. अब उस एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आपकी क्या फीलिंग थी या अभी आप क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं. ऐसे टॉपिक्स पे आपको आंसर करने के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. राइटिंग अ डायरी एंट्री. व्हाट आर योर होप्स एंड प्लान्स फॉर फ्यूचर. और आपके क्या प्लान्स हैं, होप्स हैं स्पेशली फॉर फ्यूचर. तो ये टॉपिक्स हो सकते हैं कॉमन टॉपिक्स आपके डायरी राइटिंग के. इट इज़ रिटन इन 80 to 100 वर्ड्स. 80 to 100 words. Now next thing that we are going to study about format. Format for diary writing. On the top left corner, very first thing that you have to mention is day. For example, Sunday, Monday, whatever. Then just below it, date. Suppose 14 September. The date is 14 September. Then just below it, time. Before writing the time, you must be quite sure you have to mention the time in PM only, not in AM. You have to mention the time in PM only. So 8:00 PM. Then after, leave a line. Here you can see, leave a line. Then salutation. There comes the salutation. You are saluting your diary. It is your personal experience which you are going to share with your diary. So, a formal salutation. Dear diary. You are saluting your diary. Dear diary. Dear diary, comma. Just below it, the very first line will start like this: I am very happy or sad today. Some other lines can also be used. I had the best ever day today. It was my first day in school today, in new school today. Today I am just pondering over. You would not believe what happened today. Such starting lines can be written according to the topic. Furthermore, you have to be very careful. It must not exceed one paragraph. So, whatever you are going to write must be written in one paragraph only. It must not exceed one paragraph. After giving all necessary details in first person account, you have to write the last line as if you are about to sleep. डायरी लिखी ही जाती है उसी टाइम पे, सोने के टाइम पे, सोने से ठीक पहले. Then you will write some lines like that. It was a wonderful day or experience. And just below it, your name. Do not write full name, only first name, just like I have written Ansika. The first name only, no title. So before writing the name, you must be very aware about first name only. Mostly diaries are written in simple past tense, present perfect tense and फ्यूचर टेंस. पास्ट इवेंट के बारे में होगा, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में लिखेंगे. अगर हाल में कोई घटना घटी है, तुरंत की प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में लिख सकते हैं. अगर आपके कुछ फ्यूचर प्लान्स हैं, इफ़ यू हैव योर होप्स एंड प्लान्स फॉर फ्यूचर, दैट विल बी रिटन इन फ्यूचर टेंस. Some important starting lines as I have stated above. I had the best ever day today. It was my first day in, hopefully in a new school, in a new office, in a new house, whatsoever. Today I am just pondering over any situation you have experienced. You would not believe what happened today. You are addressing your diary. You would not believe what happened today. पता है तुमको आज क्या हुआ? तुमको विश्वास नहीं होगा कि आज क्या हुआ. Some important ending lines. What can be some important ending lines? It was a wonderful day or experience. I really feel proud to be a part of. It was a great day indeed. Such lines can be written at the end, before sleeping, before ending your diary. Now I have taken a sample question along with answer. So let's see. You recently visited the 25th Crafts Mela at Bareilly in UP. It was mini India assembled at one place. Make a diary entry of what you saw and experienced there in not more than 100 words. So let's see the sample answer. First of all, as I told you, you have to mention the day, that is Monday. Just below it, date 14 September 2020. Just below it, time. As I told you, it must be written in PM only. PM. You can write 9 PM, 9:30 PM, 10:30 PM, but not AM. Just below it, leave a line, as I have left a line. Then, salutation, dear diary. The crafts mela at Bareilly was much more impressive and grand than what I had imagined. Most of the places will be occupied by these two words, I and we. This year, the theme state was Uttar Pradesh. The whole campus was painted with the visuals of Lucknow, Varanasi, Mathura, and Gorakhpur. It was mini India assembled on a few hundred acres of land. All the awarded artisans from different states had set up their workshops and stalls there. I was astonished at the skills of these people. Every evening there were cultural shows at the Chopal and the Rangmanch. The food court provided all kind of delicacies for food lovers. Basically, it was India in all its colors, tastes, and sounds scattered. It was a wonderful experience by Sarthak. If the name is given in the question, you can mention the same name. If the name is not given, you can write any particular name, but that must not belong to you. अपना नाम छोड़ करके कोई भी नाम आप जनरली लिख सकते हैं.